This is Dan Davies from AbleLink Smart Living Technologies with another 4-minute tutorial on AbleLink WayFinder. Today we're going to look at the cloud settings. So let's get started. To get to cloud settings, you enter the setup in the top right by tapping and holding that button. And then in the top left, select cloud settings. The first setting is the public smart route library, which contains a set of WayFinder routes that can be downloaded and used within WayFinder. By default, it's set to Colorado Springs, Colorado, but you can change that to another city by tapping it and selecting the city, and now you've made that change. This allows you to download routes from the selected city using the Cloud button. The notification email address is the email address that notifications will be sent to from the WayFinder device. You can't enter in an email address until you turn on notifications. So to do that, you click the checkbox, and now I can enter in an email address. This could be a caregiver, or it could be a family member, whoever will be the one that notifications will be sent to from WayFinder. Another type of notification is a periodic notification. This is an email or text that's sent out that shows the location of the traveler at a timed interval. By default, it's set to 5 minutes, but you can change that by tapping the plus sign and increase that interval. Enable location tracking is used if you want to use the Travel Manager service of WayFinder. This allows you to track trips as the individual travels on a website and have real-time updates as to an individual's location during the trip. The final cloud setting is the login area. Logging in allows you to connect your device to an online set of cloud services that correspond with WayFinder. These include the cloud libraries of routes. These include the Smart Travel Manager application that allows you to track trips and get information about an individual's location at any particular point in time while they're traveling with the device. This information will be provided to you by AbleLink or by the agency that you're working with. Those are the cloud settings in WayFinder. Thanks for listening.